Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury hair care with the ORIBE Shampoo for beautiful color. This is a color-treated hair lover's dream, formulated to maintain vibrancy and keep your hair feeling fresh. Whether you're a longtime fan of ORIBE or new to the brand, this shampoo promises to deliver top-tier results. Let's see if it really lives up to the hype. ORIBE Shampoo for Beautiful Color is a liquid formula designed specifically for color-treated hair. It boasts the signature ORIBE scent, Côte d'Azur, which is a fresh floral blend with notes of bergamot, jasmine, and sandalwood. The formula promises to gently cleanse without stripping color, while nourishing and protecting hair with its blend of high-end ingredients. Key ingredients include the brand's Color Radiance Complex, which helps protect against UV rays and environmental damage, as well as a range of natural botanicals like aloe vera and coconut oil that hydrate and smooth the hair. This shampoo also contains keratin to help strengthen the hair shaft, making it a great choice for anyone looking to protect their color while improving the overall health of their hair. Now let's talk about how this product actually performs. I've been using it for several weeks now, and here's my experience. First off, the shampoo has a rich, creamy texture that lathers beautifully. It doesn't take much to work it into a good lather, which I appreciate because it means the bottle lasts longer. The scent is luxurious and refreshing, but it's not overpowering. It lingers just enough to make you feel pampered without feeling like you've stepped into a perfume store. As for its performance on color-treated hair, I was genuinely impressed. After a few uses, I noticed that my color didn't fade as quickly, and my hair felt softer and looked shinier. The shampoo provides a gentle cleanse, which means it doesn't strip hair of natural oils, something I love when dealing with color-treated locks. My hair felt nourished and didn't feel weighed down, which is always a concern with richer formulas. One thing to keep in mind is that this shampoo is on the pricier side, so it may not be the best option for everyone, especially if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option. That said, it's definitely a premium product that lives up to its luxury claims. When it comes to the pros, it delivers fantastic hydration and protection for color-treated hair. It also helps maintain the vibrancy of your color and leaves your hair smelling amazing. The formula is sulfate-free, which is a big plus for color retention, and the ingredients are high quality. On the flip side, the price point might be a deterrent for some. While the product is effective, there are other color-safe shampoos out there that come at a more accessible price. Also, if you prefer a more natural scent, the fragrance may be a bit too floral for you. In terms of value for money, this shampoo is certainly on the higher end. However, considering the quality of ingredients and the fact that it helps maintain color vibrancy longer than most standard shampoos, it may justify the cost for those who prioritize luxury and hair care performance. If you're looking for something similar, but a bit more budget-friendly, you might consider alternatives like Pureology's Hydrate Shampoo, which also offers protection for color-treated hair and is known for its nourishing formula. It won't give you the same luxurious experience, but it's a solid choice if you're looking to spend a little less. Now let's talk build quality. The packaging is sleek and sophisticated, as expected from ORIBE, and the shampoo itself is designed to last. It has a generous amount in the bottle, and the pump dispenses just the right amount, which I appreciate because it avoids wastage. The formula itself is well made, with ingredients that cater to protecting and nourishing color-treated hair. Customer support with ORIBE has been top-notch in my experience. Their website is easy to navigate, and they offer useful tips for color-treated hair, including how to get the most out of their products. If you're someone who spends a lot on salon color, ORIBE Shampoo for Beautiful Color is an investment worth considering. It helps preserve your hair color and leaves your hair looking and feeling fabulous. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are alternatives that can deliver similar benefits for a fraction of the price. To wrap it up, ORIBE Shampoo for Beautiful Color is a stellar choice for those who want to pamper their color-treated hair. It's luxurious, effective, and helps protect the vibrancy of your color. The fragrance and nourishing properties make it an indulgence, but the high price may not be for everyone. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used ORIBE Shampoo for beautiful color, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.